Hey guys, this is Aquarium Man, and I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while, just haven't had really much to update, but I recently got this tank. I'll move all this. And so I just got it just for a little one. I always like little ones, and I'm gonna plant it after a while. I have this one plant right here that's I'm just kind of testing out with this light and see how it goes. So I'm into the pirate theme, obviously. If you see, I have that one ornament, and then have the chest and others. But I just have two mollies in right now. They recently had babies, but then they, I guess, ate them. So that, but I like it. It's a really nice tank. I got a heater in the back because my room gets very cold, so I need it to keep it. And it keeps it at a good 75 degrees, which I always thought was a little high, but it's alright, I guess. And so then I have my little thermometer right there, and then I have the little Tetra Whisper filter in the back, which is actually really quiet, so I do recommend that. So comment if you have any questions. I'll be answering a lot more because now I have more time. But thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.